Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use AWS Lambda to call an external API using Python. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. We'll use the requests library in Python to make HTTP requests to an external API. Open the AWS Management Console and navigate to the Lambda service. Click on Create Function. Choose Author from scratch and provide a name for your function, select a runtime, Python 3.x, and create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Click Create Function. Inside your Lambda function, click on Add Trigger. Choose API Gateway as the trigger and configure it accordingly. Click Add. Click on the Test button in the Lambda function editor. Create a new test event or use a sample event. Click Test to execute your Lambda function. You can monitor your Lambda function's execution by checking the CloudWatch logs. If there are any issues, the logs will provide valuable information for troubleshooting. That's it. You've successfully set up an AWS Lambda function to call an external API using Python. This serverless approach allows you to run your code without worrying about server management. ChatGPT.